Hello learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate. Let us continue with the income tax series definitions. Section 2, Clause 22, Dividend. Dividend includes a any distribution by a company of the accumulated profits, whether capitalized or not, if such a distribution entails the release by the company to its shareholders of all or any part of the assets of the company. B. Any distribution of the shareholder by a company or debentures. Any distribution to its shareholders by a company of debentures, debenture stocks, or deposit certificates in any form, whether with or without interest, and any distribution of its preference shareholders of the shares by way of a bonus to the extent to which the company possesses accumulated profits, whether capitalized or not. Whether any accumulated profit which is distributed to the its shareholders, whether they are accumulated or not, whether the accumulated profits have been capitalized or not. It also includes debenture stocks, the deposit certificates in any form, whether it includes with interest or without interest, and the accumulated profits distributed, whether capitalized or not. C. Any subclause C. Any particular distribution made to the shareholder of a company or its liquidation to the extent to which the distribution is attributable to the accumulated profits of the company immediately before its liquidation, whether capitalized or not. D. Any distribution. Any distribution made to its shareholders as to the on the reduction of its capital. Any distribution made by the company to the shareholders on the reduction of its capital to the extent to which the company possesses accumulated profits which arose after the end of the previous year ending the next before the first day of April 1933, whether with such accumulated profits have been capitalized or not. E. Any payment made by company not being a company in which the public are substantially interested of any sum, whether as the representing a part of the assets of the company or otherwise made after the 31st day of March 1987 by way of advance or loan to the shareholder, being a person who is beneficial owner of the shares, not being shares entitled to a fixed rate of dividend, whether with or without a right to participate in the profits, holding not less than 10% of the voting power, where the distribution has been made by a company which in which a sub payment made by a company which is not being a company in which the public are substantially interested of any amount made after the 31st day of May 1997 by way of an advance or loan to a shareholder which is not being a person who is a beneficial owner of the shareholders which are entitled to a fixed rate of dividend, whether made with or without the right to participate in the profits, holding not less than 10% of the voting power, or to any concern in which such shareholder is a public or a partner and in which he has substantial interest hereafter in this clause referred to as the said concern, or any payment by any such company on behalf or of the for the individual benefits of any such shareholder to the extent to which the company in either case to the extent to which the company in the other cases possesses the accurate profits, where any concerned in which the shareholder is a member of the partner and has a substantial interest and for the purpose of this clause refer to the said concern, then any payment which is made by such a company or to the individual benefit of any the shareholder to the extent of which the company in other case and when the shareholders pay the individual benefits made for the individual benefits to any shareholder to the extent to which the company either possesses the accumulated profits.